Hey there, welcome to the UXF channel. I recently bought an Audigo. I'm recording with that right now. And I wanted to do a comparison of recording between this and the Roadie Coach. Now, the Roadie Coach was sent to me some time ago for a demo model, and I was allowed to keep it. And this can be recorded on your ukulele or also in a distance. It can be used as a coaching tool to assess your playing and everything else, but for me as a player, generally it's something that I want to use as a recording device. And this one has a couple of really features to allow you to record sort of like a piezo on the instrument as well as from a microphone. So I'm going to record Coventry Carol from my ukulele chord melody Christmas songs, which you can find, by the way, if you're interested, on buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. You can find it on Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. So here is Coventry Carol on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele as recorded on my Audigo microphone. All right, I can actually make a couple comparisons here. I actually have my Shure MV88 available, and right now I'm recording on the microphone on my iPhone as well. So let me compare all of them for you. So what you're about to hear is the iPhone recording, and then I'm going to do the exact same recording with the Roadie clipped onto the ukulele here, and then I'm going to re-record it with the Roadie a little further away as well. So let me attach the Roadie here. And the neat thing about the Roadie is that it expands a little bit. It has this little grabber on it like this, and you can adjust it so that it's pointed towards you and you can record at the same time. I'm going to turn it on here. Now I'm going to hit record. First of all, you'll hear just the sound on the iPhone. Then you'll hear the sound on the Roadie. You'll hear the same exact video twice, one with the Roadie's sound next. Okay, right now you are hearing the sound out of my Shure MV88, which is mounted on my iPhone. I have to go into airplane mode, otherwise there's static that happens. I've learned that over time with the Shure MV88. It doesn't actually fit into my current iPhone. I have to use an adapter. And then afterwards, I'm going to play the same exact audio recorded by the Roadie, which is now about 2 feet away from me, about the same distance as the Shure MV88, just so you can compare. Here we go. Okay, so here's the big question. What did you like the best? I don't actually know right now as I'm recording this, and I'm not going to follow up with a tag on this. It'll be fun to listen back to this as I'm editing. So the options are the Audigo audio, the iPhone audio, the Roadie Coach on the instrument, the Shure MV88, or the Roadie Coach separated away from the instrument. Lots of different options there to record audio. I'm interested to see what the result is. Feel free to leave a comment about which of the microphones and sound you like the best as well. All right, thank you so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.